Hi everyone, welcome to the series where we will cover all the visualizations that you can use to analyze your data better. So, a lot of time in analytics, we are not just interested in a snapshot, but how things actually change. So, like how have the sales been over the past 1 year, or is the website traffic really going up or down? So, for this, we use line charts. Line charts are best to describe this kind of data. A line chart is perfect for showing trends in data that is collected over a period of time. So, this is what we also call a time series data. So, a time series data is just a sequence of data points measured at successive or usually equal spaced data points in time, like daily stock prices, or maybe monthly rainfall, or even your heart rate that is tracked through your fitness watch. So, the line chart connect all these data points, making it really easy to see the overall performance or pattern, or maybe to see what's the trend. Is it going up, is it going down, or is it really actually flat? So maybe going up and down shows a cyclical pattern. Sometimes a time series data can really be noisy, making it hard to see the underlying trends. That's where the smoothing techniques comes in. And the most common one that is used these days is the moving averages. So a moving average is basically smooths out these short term fluctuations by calculating the average of data points over a specific rolling window of the time. For example, a 7-day moving average of a website traffic would show you the average daily traffic over the past week, updated each day. So this helps to reveal a clearer and smoother trend line for the analysis. Another important thing the line chart help us is seasonality. So seasonality refers to the repeated patterns over a fixed period of time. So think about ice cream sales going up during summers, or maybe retail sales spiking during December holidays. So a line chart can make these regular peaks and valleys really obvious. So whether you are tracking stock prices, or your company's monthly revenue, or even just your own study progress over a semester. So the line charts are incredibly powerful for such kind of analysis, and they give you a clear visual story of what's happening over the time, helping you understand your past performance, spot any kind of important pattern or trend, or any kind of fluctuations from your visual patterns, like seasonality, and even help you make more informed decisions and guesses for your future. So definitely a line chart is a go-to chart for such kind of time series data. I'll come up with another visualization in the next video. So keep studying till then.